What's up? I wanted to tell a little more about embryology. Why creationists have to be ignorant of that. Corona. Work started in the 30s and 40s. Started working on chicken eggs because how big they were. They had a big enough yolk, easily capable and of manipulating it, all that stuff, and well, easy to find. Buy them for like what, a couple dollars a dozen. During like the 28th day, they found when the limbs were forming, there was a little layer of skin on it. They found out that this layer of skin, when they removed it, it no longer made limbs. They named it the ZPA, Zone of Polarizing Activity. They found out that it releases a molecule that was found later in flies at Cliff Tabin's lab at Harvard in 1993. They named Cliff Tabin named this the hedgehog gene. I did numbers of tests on it, namely, I'm sorry, not the hedgehog gene, the hedgehog molecule, because the ZPA was regulating the introduction of the molecule through the limbs, and that's what made the limbs right. That's what made the fingers grow right area. But they tried several things, from removing it to putting it on the other side of the limb. They found out that actually made two arms. That's how you'd want to say it. Made like two hands that were completely symmetrical. They stuck a dye on it at one point so they could see the pattern of how the molecule went throughout the limb. They definitely found a nice pattern. Then they went on and found out that every limbed animal has it. They found it from everything from chickens to humans. And then they went back even farther to sharks and snakes, where that was being done in a laboratory in Florida, I believe, where they tried the same experiments with skate eggs. Skate. They did the thing with where they took the ZPA, moved it around, and it created two symmetrical fins. They also did all the other experiments. But yeah. And then a funny thing is that they took the ZPA from a mouse. They took the ZPA off the skate, and then they put this ZPA from the mouse onto the skate, the unformed larva, and guess what? Didn't make a mouse limb. It made a skate fin. Wonder why that is, if they aren't related. Anyway, I got a good buzz going, so later. And I need a better webcam, man. This one just sucks.